Hi everyone, in this video I wanna show you how to exchange Gluedown hardwood flooring boards. I doing this in the kitchen. The top veneer was delaminated. You see it's moving. Also I have to stop to under the kitchen cabinet because you see there is another board. It's hard to remove. So let's go. What I doing here, I just put tape, green tape around this board. It's avoid me to cut out and damage the other board. So I'm using Rockwell Versacat tools. It's really good tools for doing repairs and not making dust, because it's this saw make very nice suction. You see, when I did diagonal cutting, easy to take off the veneer because it's already unglued, but it's hard to remove plywood from the concrete. So I'm using chisel, I'm using oscillation tools. You see, it's take time. If you're doing, will do the same. You have to be careful to damage board around this. Now it's ready for installation. So next step, what I have to do, I need to cut the bottom of the groove on the board, which is I want to install it. So I am using installation tools. Easy to set up depths. There is a special stopper on this saw. Then when I prepare boards, prepare this place for installation, I am applying glue, flooring glue, and also I will apply this glue on the bottom of the installing boards. One more glue we have to use. It's a tone and groove flooring glue. I put on top of the previous board on tone. This glue very important to keep board tight together when it's dry. Here I am installing two boards, one short, one long. First of all, I have to install short board, slide a little bit far away under the cabinet, because if you remember from another side we have end of the another board. Then I put long board inside, and then the first short board I have to move, but very easy if you know how to do it. You see, that's it. Now need to clean up glue, flooring glue from the edges, put it down boards, and then put heavy buckets on top. So usually glue, tone and groove glue, will dry in an hour, and it will be hold the boards, and glue, flooring glue under the boards, it's dry after 2-3 hours. So it means 2-3 hours, and you can take the buckets with you, and that's it. Job is done.